Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials. Pick one or two traffic tools and sign in so you can run real queries now. Explain why. Different tools use different data sources, so combining them improves accuracy. Once logged in, enter the target URL, select a recent date range, and set geography if needed. Make sure to note whether you have site ownership. That unlocks Google Analytics or Search Console. This first step saves time and prevents redoing work later. Now run the core analyses. Pull total visits, unique visitors, and average session duration to understand scale and engagement. Then break traffic down by source, organic versus paid, direct, referral, and social, because this tells you where to focus growth efforts. Next, export top pages and landing pages so you see what content drives visits, and list top referring domains and keywords to learn acquisition channels. Once done, compare tool outputs to reconcile differences and finish by consolidating findings. Combine tool estimates, and if you own the site, verify numbers against Google Analytics for accuracy. Explain why. Third-party tools estimate differently and own data is the source of truth. Save CSV exports and build a small dashboard to track trends. If numbers look wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm the tracking code is present, check analytics filters that might exclude traffic, and ensure date and time zone settings match. One key tip: retest after fixes to confirm accurate data collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.